So guys, I told you tonight I was going to cook something, and I'm going to make these ribs. I do want to show you I have a little rack of ribs right there, and my oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And we're going to make these to where they fall off the bone, and I want to show you how I'm going to accomplish that. We're going to take a can of pineapple juice. You can use orange juice according to the recipe. It's anything that's got citrus juice in it, and what that's going to do, the meat's going to absorb that, and that's going to help it be very tender and fall off the bone. So we're just going to take this and pour it on here, like so. And we'll turn it over. Then get a napkin here. We're going to take some pepper. Turn that over. Take a little salt. I don't use too much salt, but recipe really didn't say how much to use, just however you feel doing it. Okay. Then we're going to take some chili powder. Get that opened up there. I'm just going to put this in my hand. Just kind of spread that around pretty liberally. Is that a word? And we're going to flip them over. Put a little more on the other side. Flip them over again. Then, what we're going to do is we're going to take them, seal them up. And I used a couple of layers of tin foil here. Should have enough there. Get them nice and covered. And see how clean that is? Pretty simple. Then we are going to take them, put them in our oven for 1 hour and 40 minutes. Check it there. And we'll come back in 1 hour and 40 minutes and I'll show you what we do next. So we have just under a minute left, and we're going to take them out, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with them. We are going to broil them for about 5 minutes, but we're going to baste them with barbecue sauce. And we're going to see what that's going to do. Is going to caramelize the barbecue sauce, and it's going to crisp up the, give it a little crispy outside of the ribs. So let's take them out and let's see what we're doing. So while I got that out, we're going to take this and we're going to change it to broil. We're going to hit start there. And I want to show you how these look so far. I don't know if you can tell, but you can tell that the bones have already started to separate from the meat. So we are going to cover this with a little of that. And we're just going to base that in there some. Like so. Ah, that smells good. We're going to put in a little bit more, maybe. Won't hurt it. And any kind of barbecue sauce will work, whatever you want. It all works good. Spicy, not spicy. It's just going to give our little ribs a little bit of a caramelization there. See those juices down there? I'll show you that when they're done. Okay. Now, I am going to show you a little bit of the browning process there. Just got a few more minutes left on them, and then we'll take them out and we'll see how they came out. Take a look at that, smells really good. And what we're going to do now, turn that off, we're going to plate these up. And I think what I'm going to do is get a spatula, like so. See if we can't get those off. Look at that. Just like that. We'll set those right there. And we'll take this and move it out of the way, of course. Very good. We'll see you next time.